video. I'm trying to organize the material and the red samples. Are you busy today? That's great. I was worried because the deadline is getting closer. You're right. By the way, when is the presentation?
It's next Monday at 9 a.m. in our English class.
So we still a few days. What should we prepare first?
I think we should prepare the slide, decoration, and speaking practice.
Yes, and maybe we should also prepare some question in class. The teacher asks you something after the presentation.
Good idea that will make you more confident.
By the way, how much is the budget for the decoration?
Maybe around 100,000 rupiah. I think that will be enough for simple decoration.
That's enough. Can you help me design the slide?
Of course, I can help you with the slide tonight after dinner.
Thank you. Could you with the slide? Could you also make the opening page?
Sure, no problem. I can add some picture and animation too.
That would be amazing. I think your presentation will look much better.
I think we should use simple decoration so the presentation will feel and professional.
That's a good idea. I agree with you.
Maybe we can use blue and white colors because they look calm and elegant.
I disagree because blue looks too formal for our topic.
Really? Then what color do you suggest?
I think green and white would look fresh and more attractive.
Okay, that sounds nice too. Green can make the slide look more lively.
Great, I am happy we found a good combination.
Alright, now let's invite the class. So, alright, now let's invite the class so everything becomes easier.
Okay, first prepare the material for the presentation.
Then collect the picture and information from the internet and our textbook.
After that, upload the file to Google Drive so we can edit them together.
Sounds good. And please come to my house at 7 p.m. on Sunday for practice.
Sure? Shall I bring my laptop?
Yes, please. Bring your laptop and charger because you might need to practice the slide.
Alright, don't forget to print the notes too.
Okay, I will bring the screen after school.
By the way, do you think our presentation will be good?
Yes, I think so. We prepare everything well and we always work seriously.
I hope the teacher likes our project and give us a good score.
Don't worry, just speaking confidently and naturally during the presentation.
You're right. Thank you for helping and supporting me.
No problem, we are team, so we should help each other.
I'm really excited excited for the project now?
Me too. I think it will be fun and successful.
Okay, then, see you Sunday.